YouTube, my name's Jonah Messmer, and as requested by a viewer, Stick Welding 247, I'm going to try and run some TIG beads for you on the Everlast 140 ST. Running on 110 volt right now. Yeah, so let's get to it. This is probably the first time you'll ever hear this, but you're viewing from my auto darkener, as you can probably tell, my welding helmet, and my iPhone is strapped in there right now with painter's tape. It's the only channel you'll see that on. Alright, I hope this works. I'm not the best TIG welder, and it's kind of windy out right now. And it's hard to see with an iPhone in my face, but... oh. Yeah, it's killer right now with the wind. I'm at 50 amps right now. One sec. Let's crank it up a bit. Hopefully that looked good. I don't know, but till next time, hopefully I find a better way of recording that works good for me and for the view. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.